Hi, Naturally Marilyn here, and my lovely, beautiful daughter Nicole. We are doing a challenge today I think you will enjoy. Nicole's lovely neighbor, Mel, has challenged us to try raw dill. So here goes. And we're back, and here's some dill. So we're going to start off with this feathery stuff. You got yours ready, Nicole?
I do.
Okay, let's do this.
Oh.
Oh.
Uh-uh.
It's fresh. I like it.
It's very...
Gives you a nice breath. I think I'll have some more.
No.
We're going to try the flowers next.
Oh my god.
Thanks, Mel. I love it.
Uh-uh.
Here we are. We got the flower tops. Can you see them? Are you ready?
No. You
can do it. I know you can.
Okay.
Do this. 1, 2, 3. Well.
Oh my lord. What does that taste like?
Bitter. It's not quite like the dill, but it's like it's just like eating like a weed out of the garden. It would be, not that I know, but somehow I know.
I need a drink.
Thanks again, Mel. That was fun. If you guys have a challenge, we're up for it. As long as it's not hot and spicy, we don't have good bellies. See you soon.
Thanks, Mel.